Are you waiting for that incredibly cheap chainsaw from the web? What's in the bag? Vidjože. First of all, what's definitely not in the bag? The chainsaw. What is it then? Nothing. Zilch nada. Okay, I'm exaggerating. Let's take one step back. Some time ago, you found an ultra cheap, affordable online store. They had everything in stock, with prices to die for. By the way, these are two strong signs that make it highly probable that this store is fake. Come on. What's in the bag? In the bag, we have John Doe, well, most of the time it's this Ming, who has secretly bought a domain and found the software for a special online store on the forum. Collected some pictures from the web, marked that the warehouses are full, and gave crazy discounts because it makes people crazy. And jackpot. Why jackpot? Because they accept orders and payments and don't ship anything. Or ship some random crap. And why is nobody stopping them? Because one MARKO from Slovenia can only report fraud to the Slovenian police, which can do nothing in Sichuan. And even if the Slovenian police reports this to the Chinese, do you think they will flinch at all? Apart from that, they soon close the store and open a new one with Ray-Ban soups, Birkenstocks and Himmeli finger things. So now you know how to make a fake store online. More tricks with the fake online stores are available on varninainternetu.si. Please share and like this video. In the comment section, mark your friends or tell us what else would you like to know is in the bag. See you later.